Hi, from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Today we're gonna make steamed banana with coconut. What you should use is Thai banana is the best, or plantain banana. So I have about 6 banana. And then just slide them, long slide like that. Cut the premise out of the banana. Don't make it too thick. It's better when the slide is small like that. So we put them in here to steam, to cook them, and arrange them so they look pretty. If you like, you can put 2 layers of it. If there's more than banana than the space, just put 2 layers on it. Turn the stove on and place the steamer on the stove. Okay, put the lid on. By the meantime, prepare the coconut sauce that go on top of it after. We will put 1 of like a teaspoon of sugar. It's a little bit of salt, check on it. 2 taps of molasses. Now we're gonna make a cornstarch mixture. So we put about 2 tablespoons of it in here. Then we add water. Put some water in to thin it out. Add coconut in here. Then turn it on and put in the coconut into the pan. The coconut milk, I like a lot of coconut, so I put 1 cup of coconut in. 1 cup of coconut milk in with the molasses. Stir it. With the heat, it's going to dissolve the molasses. Once the mixture boils, you can add the cornstarch and it is done, okay? Turn the heat a little bit low so we can mix the mixture in. Okay, if you look at the mixture, if it's too thick, you add more coconut milk. The consistency that I want here to be not too thick. It should be like that. If it's too thick, add coconut milk and keep stirring to blend it. So this should be the consistency I'm looking for. Running but not thick. And then keep stirring under low heat until it's done. We're gonna toast some sesame seed until brown. It's about 20 minutes now, so after the water boils, so the banana steam good enough. Here's what your banana look like. We can let it cool here, or you can take it out and put it on your serving plate. This is your molasses coconut cream. You can put it on top. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seed on it. Your steamed molasses coconut cream is ready to serve. Steam banana for 20 minutes. Making some molasses coconut milk cream and toasted some sesame seed. It makes a fantastic dessert. Heavenly tasty. Thank you very much from Great Taste of Las Vegas.